Hello, you are viewing another edition of Stats and Tech. Today we will cover binomial distributions. Binomial distributions. So that means we have a success rate and a failure rate when we are calculating our probabilities. So in Excel, which is what we're focusing on today, we are going to label our columns. So as you can see here, I have a some statistics. N is equal to 8, or your trials is equal to 8, and then 45% is our P. So we're going to label all of our X values and then find our probabilities. So all of our possible ways of success, we have 1, 0, 1, 2, all the way down to 8. So these are all of our possible successes. So no success, all the way up to our N number of successes. For binomial probability, you're going to hit the function button. I'm going to put binom in here, just binom. For Excel, we're going to use binom DIST, or distribution. So the number is our X. What X are you calculating exactly? So here I have 0. Because I'm using Excel, I'm going to click on my cell A2. Trials, you want to put in the number of trials. So don't connect it to this 8. Put in the number of trials here. Our probability, which is going to be given to you, 0.45. To get P, if it's not given to you, you can divide your number of successes divided by your number of trials. And then I want to do these individually. So I'm going to put false here. If you want to do a cumulative function, probability function, then you would put true. But I just want the one that I'm calculating, which is for 0. Okay, so we see it here. This is our formula we were putting in. I'm going to put this over here so we can see it. That's what I put in the formula. And because I used the A2, I'm going to drag this down to get all of my other probabilities. So I found my 1. I went to the corner where it's a dark plus. Click this and dragged it down. And now I have all of my binomial probabilities. So you're going to use the probabilities that you want or they are asking for. So if they're asking for the probability of exactly a number, maybe exactly 2, then we're just going to use that probability as our answer, exactly 2. But what if they want the probabilities of more than 4? More than 4. So what I would do is I would sum all of my probabilities that have the characteristic of being more than 4. So that would include 5, 6, 7, and 8. So more than 4 would be 5, 6, 7, and 8. If we were doing less than, let's say 7, less than 7. Less than 7, I want to sum all of my probabilities that are less than 7. That does not include 7. That includes 6 and below. And there are my probabilities. All right, if you have any more questions, please let me know. And until next time.